What's happening, guys? How is everyone doing today? Hopefully my stream works. I know it's been screwing up lately. Let me try something real quick. Everybody hear me all right? What is happening? So I just got the 15-minute chart pulled up here, just watching this real quick, see what happens. Just kind of throwing some lines on it, but it actually looks like there's a pretty good possibility we can go up from here. We just got to watch where it breaks here. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it and kind of keep an eye on it. What's up, Colonel Crypto, Little Miss Begster? What's up, all my Bitcoin millionaires? Everybody have a good weekend? I had a pretty decent weekend, I must say. A bit foggy. The video is a bit foggy? Is that what you're saying? Oh, okay, gotcha. So anyways, there we go. We dropped down. That's what I was looking for, to see which way we were going to go here. Now we got to see how far we go down. Let's go into the 1 hour. Let me get out of this one. And we'll go over to the 1 hour. And check the RSI, see what we're looking at there. If you guys watched my video where I had this drawn in here, we did pop below it. We have been coming back up to test it. We just got rejected again, coming back down. How far will we go down? If we look at the 1 hour, I would be looking for this to catch us here. Let's go into the 4 hour real quick. I think that gives us a better idea what's going on. All right, so I'm going to take this line off while I got you guys on here. This was the line I had lined up with this. And whoops, I'm going to go ahead and take it off now. Get it out of there. We don't need it. And as you can see, looks like we are in this channel. I am expecting another touch up here. So I am expecting a push up here. Again, I could be wrong, but that is what I'm looking for. Also, I wanted to point out, I threw the fibs on just this move here from the swing low to the swing high. We are in the golden pocket zone. We perfectly hit in the golden pocket zone right here and went up. We are currently coming back down towards it. I also have this top resistance line, and I cloned it, put it down here as a support line. So do we come back all the way back down and test this around 69.31, or do we continue up from here? As you can see, we're getting rejection. I'm going to get that off of here now so we can see better. We are still in the golden pocket of the bigger picture too. We zoom in, the 0.618. Let me stretch these out so you can see them a little bit better, and then I'll go in the chat and see what's going on. But yeah, the 0.618 and the 0.65, we are still within it right now. Go back over to the hourly, or the 4 hour, and actually I want to zoom into the hourly, kind of see what's going on here. As you can see, we broke this trend line right here. But is it a fake out and we get right back in it? That is the question. Actually, we're all right looking at it in the 4 hour. We are right on. We actually could go a little bit further, but there's a trend line there. If we break that, we're probably headed down to possibly that 6,900. I don't believe we're going there, but who knows right now. All right, so I'm back in the chat. If I missed your question or whatever, my bad. Yeah, just kind of seeing where we're at right now. Do want to take a look. Somebody was talking about the longs. Obviously, the Bitfinex longs are going crazy still. Again, guys, let's look at the date. We're at an all-time high today. Let's look at the last time it did an all-time high. It was on February 18th. If we go into our daily chart and we go to February 18th, let's see what happened there. Bollinger Bands are getting tighter and tighter. Jacob said, I think it'll hit 6,900. Yeah, definitely possible. If you guys watched, see real quick. I had, go to my channel. Here. As you can see, how long ago was it I said that I thought we would hit? I actually posted some stuff up in the community chat. It was right in here. The 6,900, most people voted for it. But I believe we still go down to at least 6,900 first. That was a week ago. I don't know that we're actually going to see that, to be honest. It's possible. We'll know here pretty soon, I'm sure. But I wanted to look at what... No, I forgot what the hell date that was. February 19th. Let's actually... Yeah, February 19th. We'll look at that one first. What happened on February 19th? That would be... right here. So we got a big rise up after that still. Short-lived, came down. And we're about in the same part of the formation if we look at the 4 hour here. You see what I'm saying? We could go up to the 7150 area, maybe somewhere in here. Yeah, let me zoom in a little bit. The 1 hour, what time is it? We'll probably pop back up in that yellow. If not, yeah, we could come down to... We could come back down and retest this bottom, maybe. I don't think it'll go that far. Maybe around the 70-50 area. Let's look at another date there and see what it's telling us on the longs. Let's look at March 25th. Oh, that's 2018. Shit, this was 2019. Let's look at March 26th, 2018, and see what that showed us. Where is it? March 25th was right here, right in the middle of this move in 2018. So that one didn't tell us much. But like I said, at the February one, you can see we still had a small run up right after that high in the longs. If we look over at Blockchain Whispers, Bitfinex longs are 88%, shorts are 12%. BitMEX 48% longs, 53% shorts. Binance 34% long, 66% short, and total is 59% longs, 41% shorts altogether. But like I said, there's something weird going on with Bitfinex. I don't know that I trust that all that much. It's like we're zooming back up a little bit. Yeah, guys, make sure you hit the likes. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I do daily updates every single day. Early in the morning, my time anyway. I didn't get to make any this morning. I apologize. Had a lot going on, so I figured I'd do a live stream tonight. And looking at the 1 hour, we are popping right back inside of here now. I've been watching some guys talking about bullish divergence and hidden bullish, and they're using the wicks. you can't use the wicks. That definitely throws it off, because as you can see, as the body moves up, this RSI will suck right back up with the body. So if you're looking for divergence, don't use the wicks, always use the bodies. Final bottom question is where? That is a good question. Joshua James thinks 6K. A lot of bearishness going on. Let's look at the news real quick, see if anything. 3 hours ago, news BTC, which, guys, don't pay too much attention to the articles you see these companies write. All they do is anybody can pay them to write whatever the hell they want, pretty much. So, analysts fear the worst as Bitcoin price readies to see. What's it say? Let's look at this. Analysts fear the worst as Bitcoin price readies to see 20% breakout. Bitcoin poised to collapse under 5,000. Market cycle fractal. You know, I mean, this stuff, it could be, but I think just people are so damn bearish. So bearish. What is the fear and greed? Extreme fear. It's down to 21. That's pretty damn low. I don't know if you guys seen this chart the other day. I had put up here. It was from one of the guys in the Discord. Kind of shows where we're at in the cycle. And next time we break this line over here will be major bull run starting. If it plays out like that. Jackick. Smash the likes. What's up, KJ? Crypto Berry. Prepare to go down further. We'll see, man. Could be. Oh my God. Joe Smith. For one thing, it was 46. And if any analyst got any of this right, it would be hilarious. But anyway, see you later, troll. Anyways, do trolls got anything better to do? If they hated me that much, wouldn't they just not watch my channel? But I'm in their head enough they have to come in here. That's hilarious. And they subscribe to my channel because I get like 5 to 10 dislikes instantly when I post it. I love that. Thanks for the subscriptions, trolls. Good day, Savy. Mayor multiple is at 0.76 Savy. Anything under 2.4 is a buy signal. Has proven very accurate in the past. Hold up, y'all. What's up, Anthony? Matus Wenta? Is that how you pronounce your name? Sorry if I said it wrong. What's up? Trolls be like, I got no life. I know, man. They're silly, dude. Don't give them what they want. They just want to be mentioned. Yeah, they obviously have no life. Anybody that's doing anything positive, they realize their life sucks, so they come in and try to talk shit, or they leave shitty messages on videos. It's like, man, get a life. Get out of your mom's basement. Go do something. Renee Montegro said, I think the bottom is in Savvy. 7K will hold. Definitely possible, man. Definitely possible. We'll know soon. I mean, I still think there's going to be a big-ass move, and I'm still looking for up. We'll probably know here pretty quick. I mean, it's not to say it goes up and it moons forever. I'm sure it might be a quick move up and then a correction. We pretty much have to wait and see. J Snaps, 2020, we're headed to the moon. Troll, busting your nuts. Laugh out loud. Thanks for the shirts and mug, Savvy. Very helpful. Oh yeah, I was supposed to do the t-shirt giveaway today. Shit. I might have to do that tomorrow morning, guys. I don't have the crap set up for it. Colonel Crypto, you thinking a long position here, Savvy? I'm still in a long right now. I've been posting them in the Discord. If you guys don't belong to the Discord, definitely check them out. Check the Discord out. There's a link to it in the description below. Totally free. I was posting I did some trading yesterday. I don't usually day trade or whatever, but in some areas I'll do that. And yesterday I was playing around in here. I was posting my trades in the chat. If I have time, I do that. Usually, like I said, real big trades, I don't play with a lot of money when I'm doing little day trades. Usually half a Bitcoin on some leverage or something, but yeah, I'll do that once in a while in the chats. Crypto Barry wants a wrench. Let me see what I can do, Crypto Barry. There you go, Barry. You got a wrench, man. Dirksy said, Barry, you're already a wrench. J Snap said, I think Savvy is off by just a few months for the 47K, 46K. There you go. Yeah, I mean, it's a matter of time. I thought it would be quicker, but maybe in the first half of next year. But I think we're going to see a huge bull run here, guys, soon. I wouldn't be surprised if everything boomed like 2017, new all-time high, and then flash crashed before the halving. Ooh, I don't know. That's pretty quick. I guess it's possible, but I don't think it'll get to all-time high and then crash before the halving. But you never know, man. It is Bitcoin. Joe Thompson, long-term bullish. Me too, man. Maybe a fake out to the 6,800, then back towards the 85 by March. I mean, it's possible. We may come up and test this line in December still at some point. I mean, obviously, if we went straight up between today and tomorrow, the top of that would be around 91.50. But yeah, we may test the top of this before the end of the month, guys. And if we break it, I think everybody will pretty much shit their pants at that point. 100,000 by 2022, said Magic Mike. This, yeah, like I said, anything's possible. But I mean, if you look at this chart, for instance, let me zoom in, kind of spread it out. Hopefully you guys can kind of get the idea here. Let me get it over here. But as you can see, right here was the 2013 bull run, obviously. 2017 bull run. They're almost exactly 4 years apart. The next one will be 2021. And if it follows this trend line, that'd be about the 300,000 December 2021. The halving, I think, is in May. April or May. I don't know. Depends on hash rate, I guess. Could change it a little bit, they were saying. Has to be blood in the streets before start of a bull run. There was blood in the streets at 3,100 when everyone was scared to buy, bud. That was the blood in the streets. Gonna disconnect the down button. This elevator only goes up. Funny, Cletus. A Bitcoin drop but Litecoin is moving back up front. I haven't been looking at Litecoin. Like I said, I don't trade Litecoin, so I don't really keep up on it all that much for charting. But I will pull it up and see where it's at. Obviously, as you can see, it's been a while. It is still getting resistance on this trend line here, though. It did hit that target I had up over here the other day. Actually, it got a little bit higher. It got up to 44.65. I was off by 11 cents. Damn it. What's up, Phil C? Do you think Litecoin is leading indicator for the market? What price could you see Litecoin in the next run? The next big bull run? I mean, I don't know, $1,000, $1,500. Depends on how high Bitcoin goes, really. What's up, Anonymous? Bloomberg 2020. Litecoin at all-time low last week. No, it wasn't at all-time low last week. Litecoin's all-time low. I don't know why you're saying that, but that is incorrect, I think. Anything on Litecoin? Yep. Follow Bitcoin. You'll know what Litecoin's going to be doing. Irish Derek said, I feel like getting out, which means it's time to buy, right? We are in accumulation stage, guys. Reaccumulation. Probably. I mean, it looks a lot like... I mean, if we look at the 4 hour... Let me get back over to Bitcoin. If we look at the 4 hour... Just a smaller part here. Looks a... Oh, I'm in the 1 hour, damn it. Hold on a minute. Yeah, if we look at the 4 hour, it does look like we are in the same pattern that we were in the daily over here, right before we went up. You guys can see that. It's the same type pattern. It actually, yeah, same type pattern. Could be what we're seeing. Like I said, we'll have to see, but it's pretty much forming the same everything. If you guys can see that with all my crap on here, but I think this other crypto YouTube channels, you have to be in the tool club to get a wrench. Maybe just 2 year low then, David said. Just buy and hold. Yeah, I mean, the safest thing, guys, obviously, none of this is financial advice. I don't have my thing scrolling on the bottom on the live screen because I think that might be what was screwing up my live stream. I don't know. A lot of YouTubers said they've been having problems with the live stream, so I don't know if it's just mine or what. Tezos is about to what? About to dump. If you're not buying these lows, there will be regret. Same thing I was saying at 3100. This is all, everything feels the same right here, guys. Everything feels the same as at 3100. Everybody was so certain. All the guys that are pros, and Crown was calling for, I think, between 17 and 22 or 25 or something. Tone was calling for 1,000. I mean, come on, man. Henry Pham said moon when everyone forgets. A lot of people have already left the space. Those that are still here, I think, are the ones that aren't leaving. For the most part. I mean, there's some new people here probably that'll still leave and get scared off, but why would I buy Tezos on an upswing? Yeah, I wouldn't buy none of that shit on any swing, to be honest with you. If you guys look back in the past, all the projects, every few years, you know, it's different ones up top. The only ones that stay there are like Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, XRP, but everything else has just been disappearing, and all the ones that are up in the tops right now will disappear too when they dump them on all the poor people that bought the damn things, so they can dump them on them and just buy more Bitcoin. And unfortunately, you know, a lot of people shill for them and take the money to talk about them like there's something special when they're not. Anthony, been with you 1 year, Savvy. I'm not leaving. Right on, man. It has been about a year that I started my channel now. D. Sager, Link. I think the same of all that crap, man. Adnan, my little experience for month Bitcoin will start to go moon solely up. Starts March end as per analysis. Says before March, mean after December. Downtrend to 5,000 until 4,000, then starts to go up. Interesting. Sounds like a Tyler analysis. Paul Bear, what's up, brother? You have not missed anything, and I don't know. It's possible we found the bottom, but actually, what I'm looking at now is, can we get back above this? Around 71.30. Can we pop back above that? All the EMAs are really tight here. I want to go back into... Let me go into the... Actually, let me pull another one up here. Pull another one of these charts up and go into smaller time frames. Go into... Back into the 15-minute. And let's take a look at the EMAs. We are squeezed in these EMAs. The 200 EMAs on top. And again, guys, we're on the 15 minutes, so keep that in mind. But we are getting support now on the 55 EMA down here. 8, 13, and 21 are turning down. Can we break up out of here? We are having some hidden bullish divergence. Right here, we're having lower lows in the RSI, higher lows in the price action. Paul Bear, thanks, man. Appreciate the tip, brother. Thank you. Coinaruskis? What the hell is Coinaruskis? When is alt season going to come, though? I don't know. I don't mess with alts. I don't even care if alt season, whatnot. I mean, if, you can make a lot of money in alt season if you pick the right alt. You pick the wrong one, you lose your ass. So I'd rather stick with the winners, man. Colonel Crypto said, I'm about to make a long position. It does seem like a critical point going into 2020. Yeah, for sure, man. Let's go into the 5-minute just for the hell of it. I don't usually go in this low unless... And... Oh, we're getting rejected at the 8 and the 5-minute. So let's see something. If we were to break down here, we would be looking at around the 70, 80. See what happens. Go back into the 15-minute. Keep an eye on these EMAs here. That'll be a telltale. Spa. Hi, Savvy. Good to see you again. It's been a while. Besides the golden pocket, all the EMAs, daily to 4-hour, are bearish. What do you think about that? I don't know. It's all coming down to the wire right now. We've been looking at different time frames here, kind of figuring out what's going on. And they actually, they don't look too bearish, really. Like here on the 1 hour, they look like they're about to turn up. Of course, we'll see. As you can see in that, the RSI has came back within the channel I had here. We were popped out of it a little bit. What time is it? We got another 30 minutes left. Let's see what happens. Do we drop back down or do we pop up? If we pop back above this yellow line here, you can see what happened last night when that happened. I did catch that move. That was a nice move. Those that were in the chat last night seen it. So don't buy altcoins till 2020 or 2021 for the hype, right? Shannon, you flipped short. What the hell? You're flipping on me? Adnan, I withdrew 50% of Bitcoin. I will start to buy Bitcoin after 2 months. All right. Good luck, man. How's the MakerDAO coin doing? Anything good? That ByDAO, I have not checked on it. Hopefully they're doing something with it. I mean, but you can't do anything, I think, until next, is it August or September it comes out? I probably won't be holding mine. We'll see how it goes. I might sell half of what I have, what it staked or whatever. But like I said, guys, the more and more I look into this stuff, the more and more I don't believe in any of this stuff. Although the ByDAO is a good idea, like MakerDAO, but is that stuff Maker even really going to stick around? I don't know. They call it decentralized, but people are making the decisions for it, so it's centralized. Unsettled may have jumped the gun. RSI looks good. It does look good. What time frame are you looking at, Shannon? The 4-hour RSI is pretty tight right now. We had fun long today. Discord fun. Always. What the hell does this keep doing that for? Huh. I don't know. But I'm going to go back into the 1 hour. Keep an eye on these RSIs. We're swinging in between them. CryptoBerry, thanks, man. I appreciate the tip. Anybody that's new here, definitely subscribe to the channel. I was supposed to do a free t-shirt giveaway today. I totally forgot. I didn't get the 1 minute popping up. I didn't get a video this morning. I kind of slept in and just figured I'd do a live stream tonight. So I will be doing that tomorrow. So I'll be picking the winner. Those of you that don't know, my wife's webpage, there's a link to it below in the description. Anchorimage.com. She has a lot of crypto stuff in there. Litecoin, Bitcoin. She can put any coin you want on any of this stuff, as long as it's not trademarked, obviously. Any saying you want, any family picture, whatever, makes a good Christmas present. She also has hoodies, bottle openers, keychains, some other stuff on there. Definitely check it out. Any questions you got, hit her up in the contact. And yeah. Just a reminder. Longer term, shouldn't we be going up because of the halving? Chad Weaver. Yeah, but like I've always said, man, I don't really count on the halving like people do. I mean, there's only been 2, and people think it's just going to repeat the same every time. I mean, it makes sense too, because there will be less Bitcoin dumped on the market, but you know, until there's been 10 halvings, you really can't make a decision about that. Take it easy, Cletus. First live. What's up, Paul Shin? Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed and you are new here. Check real quick. 120 people. How many likes do we got? 121 people and 56 likes. Come on, guys. It really helps for you to hit the likes. It don't cost you a thing. Paul Bear, J Snap, largest injection into repo market in history. Nothing to see here, folks. Move along, right? A traditional monetary system is teetering on the edge, could collapse at any minute. Yeah, the funny thing is it can, and people don't believe that. And a lot of people are saying, like, you know, they've been saying that for years or whatever. I mean, if you look at what's going on, they cannot keep this crap up. On borrowed time, yes it is. Is Bitcoin going to do well for the next 5 years? In my personal opinion, I believe Bitcoin is going to do extremely well in the next 5 years, but that's my opinion, and it's not financial advice. Nobody really knows what Bitcoin is going to do, but I do believe in Bitcoin, and I believe it's going to have a hell of a next 5 years. 2 or 3 years, I think it's going to have a good 2 or 3 years. 90% of traders are wrong, and everyone expects the halving to result in a pump. Aiden Sparks, 90% of traders are wrong. How do you figure? Phil C, sorry I was slacking on the likes. Well, thanks, man. Mr. Magic said my wife asks, when moon? Next week, man. Next week. Moon next week. We may have a little mini moon tonight. What's up, Miss Crypto Chick? Hi, Savy. From where have you drawn the thick yellow line resistance? This one here. I actually have it off of these wicks here. I discounted this one, but I have it off this wick, these wicks, this wick, and we popped down, and now we popped back up through, came back down, now we're getting resistance again. So that's where I got it from. We've been watching that for quite a while. Bitcoin is either going to 1 million or 0, and it's definitely not going to 0. Right on, Randall. When new tractor? Oh, now I know who it is. Randall said he loves thick yellow lines. Let's look at the RSI here too. That'll tell us if we get this 1 hour. How long we got? We got 23 minutes. If this 1 hour closes below the yellow line on the RSI, then we're most likely coming down to this one, which could be around that 7,050 area, 7,050 to 7,080. And maybe not even. Actually, we'll probably be all right. Just watched Neo. There is a big chance to go to 35,000. What do you think? Just watched to Neo. I don't know what you're saying, Adnan. Thomas Hill, why leave your Bitcoin dormant? Start investing and making profit to do it. Email me. Dude, don't shill your crap, junk, scam shit in here. See ya. I want to hit that thick white ass line from a while back, charted from 2018 bear market. Oh, CMEs. Are CMEs open now? Or do they open at 7? Does anybody know? Miss Crypto Chick, I told you I had a crypto website coming. Did you get it up? What do you think about XRP? I don't like it. That's my opinion. I think it's a pump and dump. I mean, if you look at the chart, it's horrible. But that's just my opinion. Do what you will. A lot of people believe in it. So why are some of the alts doing okay? That's what happens, man. People switch around from playing in Bitcoin when it ain't doing much. They'll go play in the alts. I mean, that's what they're for. Altcoins are penny stocks, man. That's my opinion of them. What's your end of the year now, Savvy? It depends. The end of the year now could... I mean, we could still have a big rally. Maybe 8,200. If that breaks, you know, maybe we go up to test the 9,000 area, which would be the top of this resistance. And if that breaks, we could be going much higher. But as of right now, we'll have to see. But I do think we're going to most likely get a move up here, guys. In my opinion. We'll see. CME opened at 5. At 5 what time? Like, is that Eastern? AC's Auto Repair and Collision says, I think China wakes up at 7. XRP is a centralized premium or pre-mined shitcoin. Yep, that's my thoughts. I didn't want to say it though. CME has a gap to fill, so we could see a small move to 72.20-ish when it opens. CST, oh, Central Time. All right. Hey, up from IK, I say you keep it real, man. Thanks, G. Appreciate it, man. I try. I try to not be a crazy hype channel like most of these. You know, I might throw a kind of clickbaity title up. It just gets people to click in. Once they click in, if they like it, they stay. If they don't, they can go. But I'm not putting up the $500 million Bitcoin and new super duper secret indicator and crap like that, man. That's when you're watching that crap, for one, some of them people don't even know what the hell they're doing. They bring other people on to do the charting, or they just pull up other people's charts. I mean, do you want to follow somebody like that? 79 likes and 11 dislikes. We'll show the love, folks. Get her done. Hit the likes, guys. Nail them up. Haters, hit the dislikes. Hit them, because all of it helps the channel. It doesn't matter if it's like or dislike. It all helps. So go ahead and keep hating and keep subscribing to my channel so you can throw your thumbs down on every time I throw the video up. I like that. What do you think? Pump or dump? Marcus, I think pump. But I mean, we really can't say it till we get some confirmation here. Whichever one of these lines here breaks, that's which way we're going. And it looks a lot like it wants to go up, but we'll see. We have to break, on the Coinbase chart here, we have to break 71.32. That'll give us confirmation. Yeah, around 71.34, I'd say. Anthony Prone, Tezos is the way to go, has some major backing. I think Tezos is a shitcoin that is going to dump, just like everybody was into Matic, man. Guys, telling you, these shitcoins, they say they have partnerships and stuff. All they have to do to say they have a partnership is give them a shitload of, they can give Microsoft a shitload of coins and say, play with them, see what you can do, and then they can legally say they're a partner, and then Microsoft says, let's dump this shit. It moved up, and then you guys get screwed for buying into it. Guys, unless Microsoft comes out and says, or any of these big companies say, hey, we're using this, and they really advertise it, don't pay attention to it. You will be screwed. Take it easy, Aces Auto Repair. It's trying to pump up there. Joshua, I'm a savvy. Most alts are junk, even starting to F this junk. Yeah, man. People will see eventually. I mean, people are coming up with this crap. Anybody can make a damn... See the deal with... That's what I'm talking about. See the deal with XLM and IBM. I mean, be careful what you listen to and where you hear it from. Guys, there are so... You would shit if you seen the emails I get from all these shit projects and shit coins that pay you. And the guys that say they get paid and tell you what they get paid, that ain't all they get paid. They get a shitload of them coins that they're shilling so they can dump them on your ass when you buy them. Be freaking careful. Shit, man. All it is the coins that people think are doing good, they got more influencers to talk about it. That's the only reason it's doing good. It's not doing good because it's a good project. It's doing good because they paid influencers to push it. Just like commercials on TV push products. Same thing. It doesn't mean it's a good product. I hate to go off about it, but man, people need to... There's a lot of new people in this space and you're getting screwed, man. Stay away from shit coins. Believe me, you will be nervous every day because of these stupid mining rigs and cryptocurrencies. Don't waste your time and money. Oh my God. Shut up, moron. Uneducated people, I swear. I want to jump on Zcash. Any thoughts? I just gave you my thoughts on all shit coins, man. Bitcoin fundamentals. Learn them, please. Right on, Little Miss Begster. So are you saying I should buy alt Savy? Yeah, buy them all up, man. Buy them all, Dirksy. I don't know. Learn the hard way. Buy all the shit coins and shit you want. Good luck with it. I'm done talking about shit coins. Let's see what this is going to do. Is she going to pop or drop? Bykaz, I only have 2.2 Bitcoins. I want more. But there is actually coins that is better than Bitcoin. You can't deny that. Not really, man. Bitcoin has the longest blockchain. It's proven itself. It has nobody in control of it. And I don't care how decentralized these other coins say they are. Somebody created them for profit. Period. See, these influencers, man, the only reason you believe the shit is because the influencers that are telling you. And then when you see more than one influencer talk about a shit coin, then you think it must be a good shit coin. No, they got paid better to talk about the shit coin. I'm about to start talking about it just to make money. If people can't understand it anyway, shit and stuff, I'll be with them guys dumping the shit coins on you. What's up, Jonathan Silver? What do you think about Chainlink? Junk. That's what I think about it. I think Chainlink just paid a lot of influencers to talk about it. So a lot of people talk about it, know about it because they believe what the people say that are getting paid to tell you about the junk. Daniel Richardson, I like the stream. Subscribed. Thanks. This is a live stream. Usually I do daily updates just of Bitcoin market in the morning, but I do daily updates every day. I try to do a couple live streams a week, so I'm glad you subscribed and welcome and thank you. Anyone name one coin better than Bitcoin and prove the words? Yeah, it's all BS. I do like Bakkt. I will say that I like Bakkt. I like what they're doing. But I'll be honest with you, I take my Bakkt and I cash it into Bitcoin. But it's a great idea. Will it work? I don't know. But I use the Brave browser, and anybody that doesn't and you want to try the Brave browser, I have a link down below. Awesome browser, guys. You don't have to watch the commercials when you're watching videos. You don't have ads pop up. And if you choose to watch the ads and turn them on, then they pay you in Bakkt tokens. It's pretty, I mean, they're not asking you to buy shit. That's why I like them. Thoughts on XRP? I'd rather not. I've answered that a few times already. This is funny. Vladimir. You are a fool to think you will only get rich holding Bitcoin just to find a good alts. Dude, I'm not in it to get rich. I'm doing quite well anyway because I do trade. And by the way, anybody that wants to trade, I don't suggest you to do high leverage or whatever, but I do have exchange links down there. They help the channel. I do get a commission if you use my link signing up. If you do want to trade, I have a Bybit one down there. You can get up to $90 for making a deposit. And I have a Prime XBT one down there. You can get a 300 or a 35% bonus for signing up. So those are down there also. Also, there's a Ledger link. Guys, don't keep your crypto on exchanges, especially if you're not trading them. If you're not trading them, get them off the exchanges. Get them in your own possession, not your keys, not your crypto. I have a couple different hardware wallets down there you guys can check out. You don't have to use my links, but that's one thing I definitely stress, man. Get yourself a hard wallet. Get your cryptos off the exchanges. Vladimir Putin coin. There's quite a lot of altcoins that is decentralized. No, it's not decentralized. You're not getting it. All them freaking coins are controlled, and they were made by someone that has a shitload of them to dump on you. That's not centralized. That's not decentralized. That's totally centralized. Oh, what do you think of masternodes? I don't want to deal with none of that crap. I mean, if you you know, if you're into that crap, go ahead. I just think there's so many freaking scams. I don't want to mess with any of that crap. I've seen so many people lose so much money screwing with altcoins, man. Stay the fuck away from them. Little Miss Bagster, if you want to buy alts, buy them, but understand they are not Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the only decentralized, open source, P2P currency on the planet has ever seen. No alt can ever say the same. Rock on, Little Miss Bagster. Although I do like Litecoin. Litecoin already works. It does what it's supposed to. And people, you know, it's not promising it's going to be, you know, change the world. It's going to be able to do special shit like all these shit coins, man. Oh God, I'm done. Satoshi holds 1 million Bitcoin he can't dump. You know what? I have a theory behind that. I don't believe there's a Satoshi, and the theory fits that Bitcoin is going to work whether you like it or not. Period. Everybody's going to be using it. There's way more about Bitcoin than Satoshi. If we finish this weekly above 7K, that'll be pretty much bullish in my opinion. Edward. Yeah, man, it's not looking bad. That's for sure. If we pop up right here, that pops us out of this channel here. Above this resistance line, which most likely is going to happen. Damn good possibility. Adam said, how about Ethereum? Still overpriced. One of the good ones. Maybe consider non-alt at this point. Yeah, I don't mess with Ethereum. Ethereum pretty much brought all the shit coins away to come in. Can you show us your potential upcoming long and short entries? Doug, I'm in a long right now. It's posted in the, I post my trades in the Discord. By the way, there's a free Discord group, guys. If you're new here, check it out. There's a link below. Totally free. Don't charge anything. It's an awesome community. Bunch of great people in there. Everybody helps each other out. Great place to hang out. Always somebody in there to help. Digibyte is decentralized Bitcoin on steroids. Long-term hold. Good luck with that, man. I wish you luck. I have $20 in some shit coins, and I'm out if they pop off. Right? Yeah, I'm not saying I haven't bought some, dabbled, screw around, but I never have any belief in any of the shit coins. Ever. If you guys, those that watch my channel know I started out in penny stocks years ago, and that's what shitcoins are. They're penny stocks. Penny stocks are the same way. They come up, they create new businesses every day. They pretty much create them out of a shoebox, and then they pay news people or little, you know, magazines or whatever the hell they're called. I can't think of it right now, but they pay them to talk about their business and what it's doing and their breakthrough projects. And it's all a bunch of BS, man. Bitcoin has the same thing. It's called shitcoins, and they are the penny stocks of the Bitcoin market. That's the power of Ethereum. Shitcoins will go by the wayside. You're stupid if you don't trade alts? No, I'm not stupid if I don't trade alts. I do quite well trading Bitcoin. And I trade Bitcoin on leverage, and I do quite well. Way better than messing with alts. I will not get stuck with a freaking altcoin. And that's why, I mean, if people want to trade them, I'm cool with that. Just don't believe in the stupid ass things. They're junk, man. How much tax do you pay on your gains? I don't cash out my Bitcoin. I've been buying Bitcoin. I do not cash out my Bitcoin. I actually just went to my CPA because me and my wife both own some other companies, and I just went to my CPA to start an S Corp for my trading and my YouTube and all that. Gonna put it all into one for an S Corp to get better tax rates. Anyone want to trade subs? I don't know, I'm bored. The hell are you talking about? Canopy? Roll out if you're bored. You'll change your mind about shitcoins when everyone will start making profit, but it'll be too late, like pick of 2017. See, that's where you're wrong, man. That's where you're wrong. But you go ahead and believe that. You go ahead and believe that. Very few people made a lot of money on the shitcoins. Most other people just held them. The new people just hold them and get screwed. Savy, was your long from 11:20 in the Discord? No, I was posting. I've been in and out of a few trades, probably about 4 or 5. Yeah, about 4 or 5 trades just since last night. They're in there. Check it out. It's in the open chat. Brycak, people cry when Bitcoin drops. I keep buying. I believe any investment in Bitcoin under 10,000 is a good one. I'm long and believer. I'm with you, man. Can we get back to Bitcoin, please? We're just watching. It's just stuck here. I guess we could look at some longer term real quick. Really not. It's just in limbo, man. To wait to see what happens here. I definitely think we're going to get a big move between today and tomorrow. Possibly get a decent one today. Maybe all the way up as far as 7,500. If we pop up, if we pop down, could pop down to, you know, in the 6,000s somewhere, 6,800, 6,900. But guys, it's not much to talk about. It's one reason I didn't really make a video this morning. Nothing's changed since my yesterday's video. So I thought I would come hang out, but shit, if you don't want to hang out, I will shut her down. G said, I've only had bad experience trading alts. Yeah, they're crap, man. Bitcoin, 3K, a probability or fantasy? I mean, it's possible. Anything's possible. You know, you can't say it's not possible. I think it's unlikely. But I mean, anything's possible, right? Andre, Savy, you planning an in-person meetup at all anytime soon? I'll probably be starting to go to more crypto get-togethers and stuff. But I'm not planning anything particular. The last one was the one in Cleveland in October. But yeah, I'll announce if I go to any of them. I don't know why this keeps saying my chart layout was changed, and I'm not changing anything. The hell? Maybe it's because, I don't know why. Probably because I have this on. Let me get out of there. Thoughts on the stock to flow $3 million Bitcoin by 2030? I mean, if Bitcoin turns out to be successful, really successful, that by then, it's possible, I guess. If all money, pretty much all money would have to be flowing through it. Bitcoin would have to be the main. $200 weekly was all the time support around 5,500. 21 EMA. I don't use regular moving averages. But yeah, we're sitting on the 21 EMA right now on the weekly. Sitting right on top of it. No, that's the monthly, I'm sorry. We are under the 55 EMA on the weekly, and it is closed now, and we did get the cross of the 8 and the 21. I did not want to see that. Is what it is, guys. We could still see a push up there, though, to test that. Maybe that 7,800 or 7,500, somewhere in there. We'll have to see. I didn't want to see that. That's bearish, though. I didn't want to see that cross. But it really doesn't mean anything till we see some action. I'm surprised the BSV guy is not spamming in the chat today. He probably got... You've seen him in every crypto chat. He's probably been in here before, and I probably already blocked him from the channel. Glynis Roberts. Ugly ass. All right. So we are now from the last 6 months truly bars mode. Bear mode. I don't know. This still looks like, I mean, it was, guys, we went up in what? Let's start here. April. So in 3 months, we did this freaking move. We just went up too fast, too high, too fast. We're correcting. I mean, it's not, I don't think it's anything scary. What's up, Jacob Michaels? Donatello, what's up, man? Do you trade Tulsa stock? If so, are you bearish or bullish? No, I don't trade Tulsa. I'm not a full-time trader, guys. I do swing trades, and like I said, I mess around with day trades, and I do post them in the Discord when I do it. But I work full-time. So yeah, I don't mess around. Like I said, I started out in penny stocks, but I don't mess around in the real market at all. I have no interest in it. It's slow. Glitis. What's up, troll? Got a fucking troll. Take it easy. Have a good one, troll boy. Why do trolls even bother going in and saying anything anywhere? It's unbelievable. People are actual idiots. The human race depresses me. I'm some low life, usually people that live in their mom's basement, probably you, Glynis, I'm sure. The Golden Cross and the EMA's crossing such mixed signals. Yeah, it's crazy times right now. But on our 4 hour, we did get above the 13 EMA right now. And it just opened, so we'll see. Like I said, if we can break up above this 7134 area, then we have our 21 EMA up here at 7150. If we can break through that, we could be going to the 7200 area. But we have to break this 7134 first. If we can break that, then we could be looking good. Do you think China is trying to push the price down to control mining sector as under 6K rest of the world start breaking even or losing money? Nah, I don't think it's that deeply planned, honestly. Joshua James said it's very depressing. Nature used to take care of idiots. Now we have to look after them all, right? That's why we have to put stupid warnings on everything, because of idiots like that. Shit you had to protect kids from, you have to protect adults from now, because the human race is just saddening. We've seen Bitcoin growth from rock bottom and rocket high. Definitely we will see it bloom at its target goal. Yeah, man. I mean, Bitcoin, the best performing asset ever. Ever. Bitcoin is king, but we need alts to complete the ecosystem of crypto, right? Do you agree? I mean, yeah, we need penny stocks for traders, basically. Warning, coffee is hot, right? Exactly. And then the sad part, for those of you that live in America, them idiots that do dumb shit can sue you if they do the dumb shit on your property. It's ridiculous. Just like when I tell everybody it's not financial advice, and that's why I tell people in the rooms too not to follow my trades. I don't think anybody should follow any trades. You might watch them, see how they trade, understand how they're finding their trades, and then come up with your own stuff. But just to follow somebody, stupid. Follow anybody like that. Because when we're in a trade, shit can change and we can adjust to it. And if somebody doesn't know what's going on, they're going to lose their ass. Sense of entitlement. Yep. That's it, man. Want to get tail, want to get it all. Thinks it's the whales that just want to have it between 5,000 to 20,000 so they can sucker more people to dump it on. Bitcoin is a good project overall. Yeah, I don't know. That sounds like one of the YouTube influencers theories that he's claiming. Idiots have lots to say. They're like empty tin cans, so noisy and nonsense. Recently, a train took out some idiots who were playing on the tracks. Nature's way. Just bought back after selling all my Bitcoin higher, made 20% more Bitcoin. I'm back, baby. My TA telling me we going back up. We officially a holder again. Right on, Sean. 4 hour. But yeah, I don't know. I guess if you stick around long enough, a lot of people are new to crypto. They don't even understand what Bitcoin is. They thought they could come in, buy it, and get rich, and they'd be good. Rosalio, can I zoom out on the chart? Yeah. I can zoom out. I am zoomed out. Politicians, all lawyers start to make sense. The state of things. What is the browser you were talking about? I wanted to check it out. It's a Brave browser. Brave. There's a link to it below in my description. If you go through my affiliate links down there, check it out. That's all I use now because I can be live streaming, opening. I have a bunch of tabs open, a bunch of different charts open. I have my trading exchanges open in one, so there's constantly a lot of info. I don't get any lag, no mouse lag, no nothing. With all the other browsers, Chrome, Firefox, all that, I got a lot of lag and crap. It's a great browser, Brave browser. It's free to download and use it. And like I said, you can get free BAT if you want to turn your commercials on. They pay you in BAT tokens I think it's every month. And you can tip your favorite influencers too in BAT right on the app, right on the browser. While you're watching them, it'll have a little BAT tip icon. So once you start earning your tokens, you can actually tip people in them. Who wants to play a game of snooker for 1 BTC? Savvy, can you zoom out? Was that as far as you wanted me to zoom out, or did you want me to zoom way out? Or way out? Or way out? Brave browser is the best. Yeah, man, it kicks ass for real. I won't use anything else now. I mean, I even use Brave on my phone now. Let's see how many. 164 people and 100 likes. Don't forget to check out my wife's webpage, guys, down below, inkyorimage.com. Help support the channel. Got a lot of cool shit in there. She's got other shit that's not listed. Hoodies, long sleeve shirts, stuff like that. Just thought I'd show that real quick, but anyways. What the hell is going on? Slow. We're most likely going to see a pop here, either up or down within this 4-hour candle, I would imagine. Maybe even this 1-hour candle. But for sure within 4 hours. In the next 4 hours, I believe. Bat ain't never going to make you rich. No, but it's free. It is free. And their browser kicks ass, so why not take the free coin? Willie Woo says the Bitcoin bottom is in. Any dips will be inconsequential. Yeah, I've been saying, I don't see it going any lower. What was this? 60, 65, 25 or whatever. And the other reason for that, everybody thinks it has to go down to these lower levels. It does not have to. And when everybody is waiting for that, just like, I mean, let me go back here. It is exactly like the whole sentiment of the whole market right now is right the same as back here. We gotta go to 2,500. We gotta go to 1,800. We gotta go to 1,000. It's same sentiment, same exact sentiment. Yeah, I think it's a good possibility we're done. We could come back down to, like I said, to the 68 and stuff, possibly, but I don't see us going lower than this low over here. Joshua James, hit the likes, people. Travis Sibley, just bought 2 Litecoin. My grandkids be happy in 20 years. Right on, man. What price to watch for up and down in that triangle? Back to the 1 hour here. I said 134 for the high. The break of 134 here. Actually, 135. Yeah, right around 135. And down here, looking at 70.90. A break of 70.90. And let's see real quick. I'm going to exclude that big wick there. Can't decide if I want to do that or not. Or this. Yeah. So if that was to break down from here, I'd be looking for somewhere, and this isn't an exact price, guys. I just kind of whipped it out there, but somewhere around the 6,900, 6,950. Possible if it breaks down from there. If it breaks up, then we could be looking as high as 72.64. Let me go ahead and put one up here too. See what happens. Most important is always take your profits. Yes, it is important. Savy, are we still in the light for 40K by the end of this year? I do not think we'll hit it by the end of this year. And it was 46K, but within probably, we could still hit it within 6 months. Maybe sooner. Umi said I would welcome a good capitulation. There's no such thing as quick bucks unless you get lucky. JG, as Bitcoin approaches every round number like 10K, 20K, etc., it could be a good time to take a little profit. Most likely a dip afterwards will allow you to get more Satoshis. I hope you're keeping your channel for longer, Savy. You were thinking of closing it down. Yeah, I just get fed up and sick of people. It looks like we're breaking down here, guys. Let's see what happens. Yep. Looks like it's breaking down. Hold on 1 second, guys. Oh, shoot. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I just had to check my positions real quick. I didn't want to do it on live. What was that, Savy? I have your link on my channel. Thank you. I appreciate it, Miss Crypto Chick. Send me a link to yours, Miss Crypto Chick. Send it to me in my email or whatever. I'm all tapped out of funds. Ugh. Trade tending. Yep. Down towards 3K. Join the Discord. Plenty of chat in there. Definitely join it, guys. That was the shortest PP ever. I was just maintaining a trade. That's all. I was just checking. I was making sure I had my stops in the right place. So we're good. This could be just a little fake out here and back up, but we'll see. Thought so. Always take care of business. Right on. Yes, be careful out there, especially if you guys are trading. Definitely don't just jump into it and go crazy with all your money. If you're gonna trade, I suggest if you use my links down below. If you use the Bybit link, there is a testnet on there. You can practice trading without using real money. And then if you think you're ready for using real money, start out with very little amount that you're willing to lose. Don't go all crazy in it. You'll find out if it's for you real quick. Pulled back up into a larger channel. Yeah, I need to go down into a little bit smaller time frame. Oh yeah. We'll see. We have to turn these on the 15-minute. We have to turn these EMAs back around. See what happens. Let me write that down. It's MissCryptoChicken.com. Oh, Miss Crypto Chick. I will definitely remember to check that out right after the stream. How to recognize a fake out like this and know if it's serious. Well, on this here, I have more trend lines and more areas I'm watching in my actual trading account, the chart I'm using in there. So I have more set up, for these moves here. I don't have my smaller time frame set up for you guys because I only go when I'm doing the morning updates. I only go down to 4 hour. That's as far as I'll go down for them. So. Are you live again? Damn cursor spinning. Yeah, I don't know. Is anybody else having that problem? Prime XBT is not available to California. Mommy love Yoda. So is it screwed up? Because I am back. See here. Yeah, it should be working. Is it working? Is it off? What's going on? I don't know. Working fine? All right. Sorry about that. I did not know what was going on. Let's see how those longs look over there at Bitfinex. They're dropping a little bit. Same thing we had last night. Man, them things are cranking. That's crazy. Let's see, how's it looking here? Still all about the same. Litecoin did a little drop also. Let's go back down to the smaller time frames, guys, and see what's going on. Well, 15 minute, we're under all the EMAs now. Ugh, buffering, that sucks. Even Bybit. I do suggest anybody that's doing anything on the computers, you should be using a VPN so you're not susceptible to hacks and people getting on your network. So definitely check into that. Any idea the reason behind the downward trend? It was going up earlier this year. Yeah, it's just a correction. It went up way too fast. Way too high, way too fast. If you think about it, let me go into the daily. If you think about it, this was reaccumulation back down here from everybody that was selling up here. They bought back here, and of course they're going to sell and take profits, right? And then when they start selling, then fear comes in the market, and then everybody else starts selling, and then people think it's going to zero, and they sell. Each time it does a drop like this, I believe smart money buys in here. It gets pumped up. They sell a bunch, collect profit. Everybody gets scared, and they collect more here, and rinse and repeat. But once we break this trend line right here, I think it's going to be balls to the wall. Any idea that, oh wait, do you think we should wait a little bit more to invest until Bitcoin drops to 68, or should we invest now? If you're investing, you know, I don't give financial advice, but I buy Bitcoin anytime. I mean, if you're actually investing and you're not putting in more than you're willing to lose and you're not worried about the money, anytime's a good time to buy Bitcoin. Nobody really knows what it's going to do. We're in a golden pocket within a golden pocket. Yeah, I showed that earlier. Yeah, if we go into the daily here, I'll show you guys again. But yeah, we're in this golden pocket here. And then if I do a... Yeah, I showed this first thing in a video. A lot of you guys probably weren't here. But then if we go to this swing low to this swing high, we are in this golden pocket here. Right there. Pretty interesting. A lot of support right here. Let's see. Live stream. Alright, guys. Make sure you smash the likes. I think I'm going to get out of here. I probably will go hang out in the Discord for a little bit. Definitely check Discord out. It's free, guys. There's a link below in the description. There's also a bunch of other links down there that really help support the channel, and I appreciate your guys' support. Thanks for everything, and I will see you on the update tomorrow. Don't forget to check out inkyourimage.com, see if you can use anything in there. Anyways,